Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of AI assistants. Google has just rolled out a new feature for Gemini, allowing users to import their chat history and memory from other AI apps. This is a big deal, especially for those who want to switch AI companions without losing their personal data. So, let's break down what this means and why it's a game changer. The import feature unveiled. Google is stepping up its game with Gemini, enabling users to bring their AI history along for the ride. This feature is a direct response to the growing demand for AI portability. You see, many users have built extensive chat logs and memories with their AI assistants, and they don't want to start from scratch when switching services. The import process is straightforward. Users can upload their chat data from platforms like ChatGPT and Claude with a 5 GB limit per file. This ensures a seamless transition, preserving the user's digital identity. Preserving digital identities. What makes this feature truly remarkable is its potential to preserve our digital identities. In the AI-driven world, our interactions with these assistants shape our online personas. By importing chats, users can maintain continuity in their digital lives. It's like moving to a new house, but bringing all your furniture and memories with you. This is especially crucial for professionals who rely on AI for work, ensuring their projects and preferences remain intact. A personalized experience. The import feature also allows for a highly personalized experience. When switching to Gemini, users can retain their unique preferences, interests, and even relationships. Imagine having your AI assistant already familiar with your favorite topics and hobbies. It's like meeting an old friend who remembers all your inside jokes. This level of personalization can enhance user satisfaction and create a more engaging AI environment. Privacy and control. However, there's a privacy angle to consider. While importing data is convenient, it also raises questions about data ownership and control. Users should be aware of the implications of sharing their chat history across platforms. Google has provided clear instructions for the import process, ensuring user privacy. But it's a reminder that our digital footprints are becoming more complex, and we must stay informed about our data's journey. The bigger picture. This import feature is part of a broader trend in the tech industry, the recognition of user data as a valuable asset. Companies are realizing that by allowing users to bring their data, they can attract more customers and foster loyalty. It's a win-win situation, as users get to keep their digital history and companies gain a competitive edge. This shift in approach is a step towards a more user-centric tech ecosystem. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Google's new import feature for Gemini is a significant development in the AI space. It empowers users to take control of their digital lives, ensuring their AI experiences are seamless and personalized. As AI assistants become more integrated into our daily routines, features like this will be crucial for maintaining our digital identities. So, if you're an AI enthusiast looking to switch services, this feature might just be the game changer you've been waiting for.